Many people have a misconception that jihad can only be done by Muslims. There are no less than 2 different verses in the glorious Quran which talk about jihad being done by non-Muslims. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Al-Luqman, chapter number 31, verse number 14, وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ. And we have enjoined upon man to be kind to his parents. His mother bore him with travail upon travail, and his weaning is in 2 years. The next verse of Surah Al-Luqman, chapter number 31, verse number 15, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, that if the parents, they do jihad, strive and struggle to make you worship others besides Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then do not obey them, but yet live with them with love and compassion. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also repeats a similar message in Surah Al-Ankabut, chapter number 29, verse number 8, that if the parents, they do jihad, strive and struggle to make you worship others besides Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then do not obey them, but yet live with them with love and compassion. So here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about non-Muslim parents who are doing jihad, striving and struggling to make their children worship others besides Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This type of jihad, it is jihad fi sabil shaitan. Jihad in the way or the path of the Satan. What we Muslims should do is jihad fi sabilillah. Jihad in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.